Koenigsegg has published an in-cabin video of a Jesko lapping Gotland Ring, a racetrack located on the island of Gotland in Sweden. With factory test driver Niklas Lilja behind the wheel, the car was able to set a time of 2:56.97. However, at 7.3 kilometer or 4.5 miles in length, it provides drivers with one of Europe's longest laps. Although it isn't as long as Europe's most famous racetrack, the Nürburgring Koenigsegg writes that the Gotland Ring has a number of jumps and undulation and presents cars with similar challenges to the German course. The Jesko hits top speed in 288 kilometers per hour on the straight. As a reminder, the Jesko, powered by 5.1-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, is capable of making up to 1,600 horsepower when running on E85. However, for this run, it was using 98-octane fuel, which means that it makes 1,280 horsepower. Lilja says he pushed the Jesko to around 90% of its potential, as the car was only there for testing and marketing reasons rather than a record run.